Hey Daniel, welcome back. It's a short iNetwork training about your back office. When you first enroll with your sponsor, you're going to be asked to change your password. You'll receive a welcome email with the email you used to register, and the temporary password is 123456. So you'll get a page that comes up that has, you can find it here in the bottom of the screen. I'm running my mouse around the setting in the bottom right of the screen. Click on that and update your details. So change your password. And then also there's a 4-digit security password that you're going to need to update or set. And we've been recommending 1111, but you can choose whatever you want. So people that are not real tech savvy, I am willing to keep an Excel spreadsheet securely with your details if you want me to manage your back office. And I'll do that as long as I can. And then ideally, for those of you that are older, I do have people that are well into their 80s on my team. Ideally, your children should probably manage your account, but I'm willing to help you as long as possible. And so here we are in my wife's back office. Your initial purchase qualifies you for the income plan. The fascinating thing about this company is I had my upline putting people underneath me. We are very well known. We've been in this industry for a long time, in the wellness industry. And so I was actually getting bonus money from the efforts of people above me, placing people under me before I ever sponsored anybody. And then when I started sponsoring people, the bonus money just grew and grew. So this is a very lucrative and it's very generous plan. And that first 30 days, you are eligible to earn without spending any more money. Now I enrolled my wife, and I'm going to need to do what's known as a maintenance for her. And we're going to take $30 out of her bonus wallet and put it into keep her active for bonuses for the next month. But I also want to cover a little bit here to see the people that you've sponsored on the left-hand side. You've got family hierarchy, placement hierarchy, and then you've got the referral link. And this is what you're going to click whenever you sponsor somebody new. And then if there's something that happens and for some reason, the bank that processes is actually in Malaysia. So I actually was rejected the first time we tried. And I've had one client that her card just kept getting rejected until finally we were able to process her. And there are some creative ways now where you can actually use your bonus wallet money and enroll somebody, and then before you do that, you would want to have your client pay you the cash, and then you can go in and either use your bonus wallet money to enroll the person, or you can use your credit card, which I'm willing to do that once somebody's paid me. So that referral register status will show you if somebody their card was rejected. And so you want to go ahead and hit that red reject button if that person is not going to stay in that spot. But if you want them to stay in that spot, you would actually want to hit that reject button and then go back and process them again where you want them. So the whole idea is that you want to build your team. You want your best 2 people that are motivated on your front line with you, and then you want to build your legs down on the left-hand side. And then we'll discuss that in another video about why you want to do that. Then purchase PIN, register using PIN. This is part of the registration process, and I've got a short video about that. And then you upgrade if you want to become a gold. Let's say you registered as a silver. The income plan does pay more if you are a gold, and it pays the best if you're a diamond. But some people just don't have that to outlay at first, but you can get there. You got something known as a bonus redemption wallet. So here's the maintenance. But before I do that, I want to show you the rest. You've got the top up register wallet. This is where you could put money in your account for anything you want to do. Let's say you want to buy some more machines and have them on hand. And then this is kind of all This is how you convert your bonus wallet to your register wallet. That way you could use the money that's in your bonuses, your commissions, to pay for a new registration, and then convert register wallet to the bonus redemption wallet. There's so many little functions in here. It's wonderful. And you can transfer money to someone if you want to. And then you've got wallet withdrawal status. And then you've got the pen promotion redemption, purchase redemption, bonus redemption, your product order report. Now, the way the system's working right now, I have all the product order reports for the last couple of weeks here in March. In February, the product order report was actually in the person's back office. And that's very important if you join in February, that you make sure that you have a product order report. And I believe I was very thorough with that. So everybody's order has been placed. Then product detail, your device warranty, bonus wallet history, register wallet history, bonus redemption wallet history. This is just like all of the cumulative details that your account has had. And so purchase redemption wallet history and pen history. So this is the home screen at the bottom. This is the navigate, where you find all of these links on the left side. This is the reward button. I won't go into that today. And then info, these are just notices that the company sends out, and they are very highly skilled. These people that are running this business have been in the industry a long time. So we're working with a good crew of people. So I want to go in here and hit maintenance. And so I get my wife's. So bonus wallet balance and register wallet balance. Okay, so I'm going to need to move money into her register wallet balance. And so I need to go down and hit transfer, convert bonus wallet to register wallet. Okay, there. I want to put in here $30. Okay. And I need to put my wife's security password. Okay, successful, converted $30. Okay, now let's go back into maintenance. There it is. I've got the register wallet balance. I want to keep her active, normal maintenance, bonus wallet amount, current maintained PV, register wallet amount, normal maintenance, current month maintain. Okay. Bonus wallet amount. There it is. So this is the one I want. Okay, so I'm going to click bonus wallet amount, purchase success. Now watch this. Okay, I'm going to go to her home screen. Now, I live out in the country, so I don't have the high-speed internet that you have in the city. But look there. Now she's got until April the 24th, she gets to earn money in business. Isn't that wonderful? So that's it on the details. I'll do another video about this QR code, and this is actually your referral link right here. This is the link that you can copy, or you'll just hit that referral link that's on your navigate page right here. And I'll put her security password one. And so right there, it says I can put somebody here, the share me button. But that's another step. Bye for now, and stay tuned. Join our Telegram support group. And you can see my phone number there, 360-383-0265. Daniel Parsons on Telegram, and we'll answer your questions there. Bye for now.